We're unboxing my beautiful album I've been waiting for. And I can't wait to bump it. I have my CD in my car already. Same. Sorry, guys. Woohoo! Okay. Bam.
Perfect timing, huh?
This timing.
If they want to be in it.
Hold on, Joseph. Hold on. I'm doing a video real quick. Hold on, baby. So then, we got the letter. I mean, not the letter, the receipt. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh. Okay. Are you? Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. La Gran Senora. Look at that. Jenni Rivera.
Woohoo! Yeah,
Panda. Guys, look at this. I love her so much.
Yes, girl.
What song?
And this is one of my favorite dresses, she said. I love this dress.
Hey.
So, thank you. Thank you to Jenni's legacy, her kids, for keeping her alive through her legacy. And thank you guys so much. We love you.